expensive, man. They want to tell you. They want to say they want expensive, they want to be high. Yeah, they want to. They want to. Yeah. Also, when you're not there at all, you buy it different. You want expensive, they want that you can charge a sum. All the welding booths now well equipped now. All of the bosses get the tools in there. Electro with the trigger tools, the welding gloves and apron. Expensive machine. Alright, wait. Yeah, so okay, to the point that's so cherry one the plastic is I also take it from there. Okay. So we're gonna use thing is we can get it out of plastic. There is advisable not to use it like this. You remove the plastic before using them. So this is going to turn our competitions. Many people never have the idea to do that. So that's it. Okay. Shouldn't have been there. Oh, it is impossible not to be there. Oh my. Okay. This is a washing. Chargeable. You got welding volume, electro volume, fishing. Yup. I guess all of the buses is equipped with tools. Okay. Sure. Okay. For aprons. That's it. That's it. Very welding boots.